Hello, I am Anindra Mullik and you all are welcome to my Python programming basic course. Our today's topic is list operation. This is the part 1. There is another part. Let's start. I will show you the operations of the list like length, find the length of a list, then replace operation, sort operation, insert an element, delete an element from the list, reverse the list, slice operation, append and then concat. So for this, go to the our Python shell. Okay. Now this is the how to now. First we are finding the length of a list. We are using this. Take a list. This is a list we are taking. Now these are elements of the list. Now for finding the length, we use this function len function and passing the parameter that is list on means passing the parameter as the whole list variable. So L we are and so we are storing the length of a list. For that we use take the variable that is L. Now we are print the L. So by using we use the len function for finding the length of a list. Then we are execute our code. Press F5. 9. Is it right or wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'll check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, it is right. There is a 9 element. So obviously length is 9. Right result are showing. Now, next. Next we are like to see the how to replace an element to the on a list. For an example, this is a list. List 2 is variable. There is a list. Now we are like to replace the this 78 to 9. Now what is the index value? Always try to always keep in mind that same as array, the list index starting from 0. That means this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, so 78 index value is 3. So for replacing we use the like list 2, the name of the list, then find index that is 3. That means list 2 of 3 we will assign the new value that is 9. That means 78 is replaces with 9. Then we are printed. Check is replace or not. So please press the F5. 4, 6, 8, 9. Now, so obviously 78 replaced with the 9. So our replace operation is successfully done. Next operation. Insert. We insert an element on a specific index. For an example, in the index number 4, we insert a value that is 9. This insert function we use for insert an element on the list. List 3 dot insert. List name dot we insert. We use the insert function. Insert we use the two parameter, passing the two parameter, that is the index in which index we are do the element, means insert the element, the index value in which index we are inserted, then comma which value we are inserted. That means this is the index where we are insert our value, means which value we are inserted. 9 is inserted. That means go to the index of 4, then place the 9, insert the 9. So what is the index for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means after the 8. Then we are print the list. These are for inserting we use the insert function, passing the two parameter. One is the index, in which index we are insert, then which value we are insert. Press F5. What is the showing? 2, 3, 2, 7, 3, 8, 9 means on the index number 4 successfully 9 are inserted. Then we are see the how to sort a list. For sort a list we use this sort function. So name of the list, that is list 4 dot sort. List 4 dot sort. We use for access. We use a dot sort. Basically, it is sort the elements on the ascending order. So print the list 4. For checking, we have pressed the F5. List is sorted 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So list is sorted on the ascending order. So our code is perfect for sorting a list. Next code. Delete. How to delete a value on a specific index. This is a list. For an example, we are deleting the value of an index number 4. What is the index number for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? That means 9 is deleted. What is the index value? 4. So, for deleting, we use this keyword, that is del. Del, del. This keyword we use for deleting. Del list 5. In which list? List 5. Which index? Index number 4. So, del list 5, then 4. Del keyword are used for deleting, then list name is list 5, which index 4. Then we are printing the remaining, printing the list. Which value are printed, we are see. Press F5 now. So we are deleting the 9. Right or wrong, you are check. 5, 3, 7.8 is Java 7.3. Yes, successfully we have deleted the index number 4 value, that is 9. So our code is perfect. Please keep practicing. Thank you.